Now that we have a scene, let's continue adding new pictures, learning a little about media management in Tealbusi. If you have closed the scene, you can reopen it by accessing the left menu Scene, clicking on Open, selecting it, and clicking on Open the selected scene. Click on the Mercury instance to select it and, in the right menu, open the Current Instance tab. Just below the name you will see a selection called Collection. Click on the Edit Collection button. Whenever you add a media file to Tealbusi, it is included in a collection. In the case of the Mercury picture, since there were no collections yet, a new one was created. Note that the name given to the collection was the same as the image file. Let's change this name to Planets to improve our organization. After changing the name, click Apply Collection Changes. Now let's add the picture of Venus. Access the left menu Media. Click on Picture, and in the Manager, upload the image of the planet. Note that when selecting the file in the Manager, some new buttons appear since we now have a collection in our movie. Let's add the picture of Venus to the planet's collection by clicking on the Add to Collection and Stage button. Select the instance with the Venus image. Open the Placement tab in the right menu and let's position it according to the layout at x216, y840 and adjust its size to a width of 78. This time, after changing the width, click on the Adjust Height button. This will cause the height to be modified to avoid distortions. Now let's add the images of the other planets. Access the left menu Media and click on Picture. This time we will upload all the images. Click on the Earth file. To save time, let's add the remaining planets to the collection without closing the Manager. Uncheck the Close after adding option and click on Add to Collection and Stage. We will repeat this operation for all the remaining planets. When finished, simply close the Picture Manager. We now have all the planets in our scene. Let's position the instances according to the layout. Check out the sizes and positions of each one in the description of this video. An important note, we changed the sizes and positions of all the planets, but we did not adjust the names of the instances. This is a good time to do that and also to save our scene. Now let's add the title of our kiosk. Tealbusi has font management and several tools for including text in your creations, but for the simplicity of our content we will choose to use images already prepared with our texts. Access the Picture Manager again. To organize our media, we will separate the text images into their own folder. Create the text folder in the Manager and enter it. Let's upload the title image to this folder and add it by clicking on Add to Stage. This will create a new collection, different from the one we used for the planet pictures. Click on the title instance. First, let's adjust the collection name. Change it to Texts. Then, remember to change the instance name to Title. The image file is already the right size to be used in the scene, so just select the instance and in the Placement tab, click on the Use Original Size button. After that, position it at x1248 and y102. The last picture to add is the text about the planet sizes. Add it to the texts collection using the original file size. It will be centered on the screen, so just click the center positioning button just below the X value. Lastly, adjust the Y position to 1010. Remember to save your scene after this. In this video we learned a little about media collections and how to use them to organize our creation. In the next one we will finally test our scene and also add a background.